We have learned that fossil fuels like coal and petroleum are located deep underground. By now, we also know how coal is formed at such locations. But what about petroleum? Does that come from plants as well? No, it doesn't. What's interesting about petroleum is that it is formed from organisms that lived underwater, and these organisms weren't very large. In fact, they were very tiny, single-celled plants and animals present in large numbers in the sea, along with fish and other small creatures. All these marine organisms died, they settled on the seafloor and were buried in sand and clay. This process continued for millions of years as more and more organisms died and were buried under many layers of sand and clay. These layers, along with water, shielded the dead organisms from air, thus preventing them from decaying completely. Eventually, as the increasing layers of sand and clay exerted more and more pressure on the dead remains, and with the increasing temperature in the deep layers of the earth, the dead remains got converted to petroleum. Petroleum is formed from marine organisms that were of both plant and animal origin, while coal is formed from dead trees and plants living on land. It is now clear how petroleum is formed deep underground. While this transformation took place, the layers of sand and clay were also converted to rocks. Thus, petroleum got trapped between rocks. This also explains how petroleum got its name, as it is extracted from between rocks. The word petroleum is derived from petra, which means rock, and oleum, which means oil. But how do we extract petroleum? Petroleum is extracted by drilling holes in the land or in the seabed where petroleum reserves are located. In India, large reserves of petroleum are found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High, which is located near the Mumbai coast, and in the Godavari and Krishna river basins. Worldwide, the largest reserves of petroleum are located in Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Canada, Iran, and Iraq. The deep holes that are drilled at a petroleum reserve are called oil wells. Petroleum is extracted from the reserve using steel pipes. Often petroleum is found floating over a layer of water underground. Why does it float over water? Because petroleum consists of oil, and as you know, oil being lighter floats on water. Along with petroleum, there's something else we find in an oil well. Any guesses? Yes, it is natural gas. Well, this brings us to the last fossil fuel that we'll be discussing in this video, natural gas. Natural gas is often found along with petroleum because both of them are formed by the same process and from the same organisms. However, the major differences in the formation of petroleum and natural gas are temperature and pressure. Higher temperature and pressure favor the formation of natural gas. Therefore, deeper the location of fossil fuel formation, higher will be the amount of natural gas in it, because temperature and pressure increase as we go deeper underground. So, now we know that natural gas is often formed along with petroleum. That means we can extract it from an oil well just like petroleum, right? Yes, that's how it's done. Natural gas is extracted from an oil well through pipelines. In India, natural gas reserves are found in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tripura, and in the Krishna Godavari Delta. The world's largest natural gas reserves are found in Russia, Iran, Qatar, and USA. It is now clear to us exactly how coal, petroleum, and natural gas are formed from living organisms. But there's a lot more to learn about these underground treasures. Who could have thought that coal, a seemingly useless substance that we use to scribble on walls, is actually the largest source of energy for electricity generation worldwide? To know more, keep watching. But before that, here's a quick recap of the formation of petroleum and natural gas. Petroleum is formed from marine organisms buried under layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, high temperature and pressure converted the dead remains into petroleum. In India, large reserves of petroleum are found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High, and in the Godavari and Krishna river basins. Worldwide, the largest reserves of petroleum are located in Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Canada, Iran, and Iraq. Natural gas is formed through a similar process as petroleum, but at a higher temperature and pressure. In India, natural gas reserves are found in Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tripura, and in the Krishna-Godavari Delta. The world's largest natural gas reserves are found in Russia, Iran, Qatar, and USA. Both petroleum and natural gas are extracted through oil wells. That's all for now. I'll see you soon.